When lines meet angles, when space collides with inspiration, we redefine the form of home. Triangle is not just a stable symbol. Modular design allows study rooms, tea rooms, and starry sky bedrooms to be reorganized according to demand, and life should never be divided by walls. Resistant to level 12 typhoons, blocking temperatures as cold as-30°C with energy consumption only 1/3 of traditional residential buildings. Less wall, more world. The triangle house never defines life, it simply perfectly carries every life you define.